All right, let's begin our Cajun chicken pasta. As you can see here, I got a smoked sausage sliced up into bite-sized pieces, and you just want to give it a couple of minutes on the burner just so it can kind of crisp up and whatnot, and then just set that aside. All right, and as you can see here, I've taken 2 chicken breasts, sliced them in half lengthwise, and now it's time to seasoning. This is just a Cajun seasoning blend that my grocery store makes. So, I really like it. You can make your own or pick out your favorite brand. And then we want to put this into a frying pan. Alright, and as you can see, got the chicken going, a little bit of oil. And, of course, season the other side. Cook this till 165, obviously. And then cut it up into bite-sized pieces and set it aside. Trust me, it'll all be coming back together later. Alright, now to make the sauce. You can see here in a little bit of oil, I have a half a green bell pepper, half of a red bell pepper, not realizing I moved the fucking camera over, and somewhere in this pan is a small onion that's been chopped. So, you want to give the veggies a couple of minutes to sweat out a little bit. Obviously, as you can tell, I've sped up the time here. Give them a little bit of a stir around. And then you want to dump a half a cup of tomato sauce, half a cup of heavy cream, and then just stir it around and let it simmer for, a couple of minutes to about 15 minutes, just until it's the desired consistency you like. Alrighty, and as you can see, I got a pound of penne pasta here. And you want to dump all that good sauce into the pot. Don't worry, it is enough sauce. Trust me on this. Want to add back the chicken and sausage. And then try to stir this, but like an idiot realizes the handles are 900 degrees. Grab yourself a towel and give it a good mix till everything is evenly coated. And then just get ready to serve it up. And that's Cajun chicken pasta. Done.